So whenever you're looking at a report, if I go back here to the traffic acquisition, this is typically how a marketer would go in and view traffic and conversions coming from the different marketing channels. We're not seeing anything related to AI here, but these channels could be customized. You could create your own channels. If I navigate here under admin, and under admin, you're going to go to the channel groups, and under channel groups, you'll see something like this. What you're going to do here is, if you haven't really edited anything in the past, you'll only have default channel groups. But what you do is you create a new channel group. Once you create one, here is a sample, it's going to pre-populate with all the default channels. You just have to create a new channel. A form is going to appear similar to this. And the beauty of this, you could have both an include matches regex and an exclude does not match regex. And we use the same rules that we have mentioned before and simply paste them in here. There's one difference though that I took note in the slide. I have the red text over here, and what this means is to make this case insensitive, just in case any of these sources are coming in uppercase or lowercase. However, when we were doing it here in the channels report, it was not accepted in the source, and for some reason, but it's accepted in the exclude rules. So if I simply add that in, you will notice that the apply button is grayed out and there's an error, it's invalid, it's considered invalid for some reason. So we are simply removing that and it becomes valid. But that is the rule here for the channels. Once you're done with that, you save it. Once you save it though, it's gonna appear all the way down at the bottom. But we have seen earlier where the AI tools are classified in the wrong channel. Sometimes they go to referrals, sometimes they go to organic. So we want the AI rule to run first. That's why you could click on reorder and you simply drag the order which one's gonna run first. I put the AI and LLM on top before the other channels happen so that they are properly added to the AI channel before they are assigned to others. Now that you have your channels configured, so when you go to your acquisition reports under sessions, you could change that primary dimension to the channel that you've created. And the channel that I've created was, let's see, under channel, it is this one, session with AI LLM channel. And you can see it still lists the channels, and since this list on 1 to 10, it might be on the following page. I'll just make this list longer for now. And as you scroll down, you see the AI LLM channel is here. Now that we know it's there, I'll go ahead and shorten this to make it load faster. We could simply choose that dimension as a filter. I'll type in channel over here, sessions with AI LLM, and then I will say exactly matches, and I will select AI LLM and hit apply. It is already filtered to this. If I add in the source to see it as a secondary dimension, you can see the sources over here, and you can see they're all AI sources classified under this channel. The beauty of doing it by channels is many existing reporting used by different marketers already uses the channel dimension to show reports. So if you're comparing channels, this is the best way to do it.